Namaskar, there is a question by a subscriber. He asks me whether the gemstones expire. Many people ask me what is the duration of the Pukhraj stone, yellow sapphire stone, what is the duration of a blue sapphire stone or emerald for that matter. I really get perplexed and I don't understand the logic behind this expiry date. It seems that there is a conspiracy by the dealers and the sellers, those who sell gemstones, saying that if you take the stone, it will work for 2 years, 7 months, or 3 years, 2 months, or 1 year, 2 months, like that. And it will expire. Then what are you supposed to do? Are you supposed to throw it away? No. The seller tells you, you bring it back to me. I'll buy it back from you at 50% or 70% price. The conspiracy is that as the natural stones are getting excavated by the people, and the quantity of the natural gemstones are reducing over a period of time, and there's a lot of demand. So every year the price is going up and going up because of non-availability in adequate quantity and the demand. So it is always the seller who profits from you. You purchase something from 1 lakh rupees, after 2 years you go back to him and he gives you some 70,000, 60,000 rupees. In the initial sell he had made his margin. Now he gets back a stone which he can sell at the more than 1 lakh now. Maybe 1.2 lakhs or 1.3 lakhs because the price has gone up now. So the bargain, not only he gets more margin in the sell price, he also gets at a cheaper price. Nothing in nature expires. The mountain, the river, the rocks, they never expire. Why that quartz does not expire for that matter? What the sphatic does not expire? How come the rudraksh does not expire? And only gemstones expire? That also expensive gemstones expire. If you buy a topaz, some paying 4,000 rupees, the seller never tells you it will expire and come back to me after 2 years and I will give you back 50%. He never says that. So it is a big conspiracy to cheat people, saying that this expires, XYZ time, etc. people give. Don't listen to them and wear gemstone. It will never expire. One thing you should keep in mind. Supposing you are wearing a blue sapphire stone and astrologer had prescribed that stone because it was required for you. Now, after wearing 2 years, 3 years or 5 years, you find that you are undergoing now Sun Mahadasha, Surya Mahadasha. You know that Surya, the Sun and the Saturn are the contra force. During that time, I will advise you that don't wear the blue sapphire stone. If you are wearing a Pukhraj stone, yellow sapphire stone, it has worked for you. But now the Venus Mahadasha has started for you. Venus and Jupiter, they are the contra force. Don't wear. You are wearing a coral, but the Buddha Mahadasha has started. Don't wear coral. You are wearing an emerald, but Mars time has started. Don't wear emerald for that duration. So you should be applying your mind judiciously when to wear, when not to wear gemstones. Wearing a stone lifelong can be disastrous. But it does not mean that it expires. It does not expire. Keep it at the opportune time, when the time is ripe, when you are supposed to wear the stone, do wear and get benefit out of it. If you have any questions and doubts like this, which is misleading and which is part of the conspiracy, do write down in the comment section and I will be very happy to make a video and answer your question. Thank you very much for watching this video. I am Wing Commander Dr. Santosh Sharma, founder of White Lotus Spirituality. If you are not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video. Namaskar, Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.